So some of you might be wondering how to set up a reverse banded Smith press like we've got in your program. So all we've done is, as you've seen from some of the other tutorials, is we've got our trusted daisy chain here and a clip. We're just going to chuck that over the top. Now the majority in your gym may only have access to thick bands like so, which is absolutely fine, but make sure that you just speak to your coach first about what band you should be using. Today we're going to demonstrate for purposes with this green band. All we're going to do is loop the band around like so. From there, take the clip through and just attach it to that daisy. So I've got my helper Ali here. He'll jump in and you'll see where the band is going to sort of kick on and where it's going to kick off. So as he comes down to that bottom range where we know he's weak, as you can see, the band is pulling up and helping him in that weak position. As he pushes back up the way, no tension on the band, and the weight's going to hit him roughly in that mid-range where he's strong. As you can see, big pull here, pushes back up, band's off, weight hits him like a ton of bricks. And that's how you set up your reverse banded Smith incline press.